Hey, it's Matt from Live for Products. I really like this Tilami rolling backpack for a son. First and foremost, the build quality is outstanding. It's evident that Tilami put a lot of thought into designing a durable and long-lasting backpack. The zippers are sturdy, the wheels roll smoothly, and the telescopic handle feels robust. No doubt that this backpack will withstand the wear and tear of your son's busy school and extracurricular activities. The 18 inches size is perfect for a middle school student like your son. It offers ample storage space for textbooks, notebooks, and all his school supplies. Plus, the multiple compartments and pockets help him stay organized throughout the day. It's also worth mentioning that the backpack's design is stylish and modern, and your son will love showing it off to his friends. One of the standout features of this backpack is its versatility. It easily converts from a rolling backpack to a traditional backpack, giving your son the option to carry it on his back when needed. This feature is a game changer, especially on days when he has to navigate stairs or crowded hallways at school. The wheels are quiet and glide effortlessly, and the handle extends and retracts smoothly. I highly recommend this fantastic product. It's absolutely a must-have.